Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I will be using some products from NaturAllClub. They did recently launch a new Flaxseed Styling Collection, which I got to use and my hair literally loved it. So I'll just be taking you through my wash day and showing you how the new products and some of the old products worked on my hair. So I started with NaturAll's Avocado line using their cleansing shampoo and their dry hair solution deep conditioner. I'm sure you guys have seen this line or this brand on Instagram, and I also have done a video using their deep conditioner before, so I will link that down below. But this brand is a little different than most just because they do use fresh all natural products. So I will have more information and things down in the description box. But as far as this cleansing shampoo, it is sulfate free, paraben free, and silicone free. And as you can see, the lather is literally amazing. So you already know I loved this shampoo just because of that. Now, avocado definitely has a ton of different benefits, especially for natural hair, so I will get into that in just a bit. But as far as the shampoo, I really liked it. It definitely cleansed my hair, but it did not strip it. My hair was left nice, soft, and moisturized, so I definitely liked this. So now I am using the dry hair solution deep conditioner, and I believe they have a dry hair solution, damaged, and dull hair deep conditioner, and these are so fresh that you have to put it in the freezer if you are not using it. That is how fresh this deep conditioner is. So the avocado in these products, especially this deep conditioner, it helps to really strengthen the hair, and also it penetrates your hair, so it helps to soften and moisturize, along with a whole bunch of other benefits. But those are like some of the main two, of course, promoting hair growth and all the other good stuff. But it's so softening on the hair. Doesn't feel like sticky or slimy or anything. It just feels really softening, and of course the slip is amazing. So I'm just gliding my fingers through my hair and letting the deep conditioner do its work. It also gives me some curl definition. So this little deep conditioner packet can last you, I believe the average person could get like 2 uses, 3 if you're light-handed. But I just went ahead and used this entire thing on my hair. Like, I just wanted my hair to be really soft. So I went ahead and rinsed that off after letting it sit on my hair while I showered and stuff. So I believe like at the minimum 10 minutes. And yeah, my hair was just left super duper soft, super moisturized, shiny. So typically, you guys know, when I'm done deep conditioning and shampooing my hair, I get out of the shower and start applying my products. But this time I am applying my product in the shower. So I'm using their Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm using that just to kind of prime my hair and get it ready for when I apply these Flaxseed Styling products. So yeah, I'm just applying that onto my hair, and it was a nice lightweight product, a good base for, you know, a wash and go. So now let's get into these flaxseed products. So NaturAll came out with a new Flaxseed Gel and a Flaxseed Gel Curl Custard, and I decided to use the Curl Custard just because I did try, I tried out the consistencies of both, and I really liked how this Curl Custard, the consistency was like, it wasn't too thin, it just felt like just right, and I like the smell of this. Now NaturAll's products do have like a natural type of smell, but this one, I don't know, it smelled like some type of fruit to me. But yeah, I'm just going to prep my hair. You guys already saw me put the leave-in in my hair, so I'm just going to spray it with some water just because it has dried a little bit since I was getting dressed and stuff. Detangle it and then start using the Curl Custard. So with this curl custard, I just went ahead and took a small amount. I wasn't sure how much I would need, so I started with a little bit, applied that to my hair, and then I did go in a little bit more, but I didn't use a ton of product, and it really went onto my hair super good. Like, it wasn't sticky, it was very softening, and it gave my hair so much shine and some good definition. So I just went ahead and started to shingle my hair. Y'all know that's just how I like to do my hair. I know a lot of people tell me they want to see me do it a different way, but I don't like my hair when I do it a different way. So just shingling my hair, and then I'll show you what this first section looks like completely shingled. So these are what my curls are looking like when I completely shingle my section. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, using flaxseed gels have always been a struggle. You guys have never seen it on my channel because every time I've used one, it has been a complete fail. Either my hair is super hard and stiff, it's very, very dry, or it's just poofy with no definition at all. So this curl custard does have a medium hold, so it's not going to give me personally super defined curls, but it did give me really good curl definition, better than I really even expected. So I'm just fast forwarding through this part, but as far as flaxseed gel and this collection, flaxseed gel is a great alternative to other gels just because it's not like super harsh, it's natural, and as far as this collection, it is also paired with yogurt powder. So the yogurt powder and the flaxseed just helps to really strengthen the hair, and also help to soften and moisturize. So this is what my curls looks like once I was finished shingling, and I really liked my curl definition. I was not expecting to get this curl definition at all, just because, like I said, flaxseed gel, it's a lighter gel compared to others, and I was just really scared, but my curl definition looked really good. So I just sat underneath my hooded dryer. You guys know I typically do that to just dry my wash and goes really fast. And then once I did my makeup and stuff and my hair was dry, I did just scrunch the crunch with some of the natural avocado oil on my hands, and I get a crunch with any gel I use, so that's just me. But once I did scrunch my hair, the crunch did go away. And then the last product from their Flaxseed Styling Collection I will be using is their 24-hour extreme hold Flaxseed Edge Gel. Now this edge control is supposed to lay your edges effortlessly, give you lasting hold, and it's supposed to be non-greasy and flake free, which I definitely agree with all of those things. It held true, so I just applied that to my edges and then used my little edge brush that was sent to me, but I believe you can get them from like the beauty supply store. And yeah, it really laid my edges really nice. It wasn't too harsh, but it had just enough hold, so I really liked this edge control. So one thing I did notice about using this flaxseed gel custard is that I had a lot of volume, more than I typically do when I do my wash and goes, which I actually really liked. I did like having really big hair on the first day, so you just see me using my wide tooth comb to pick and fluff my roots just to get it a little bit more bigger and, you know, fix my shape and all of that. So these are the final results, you guys, and I really liked this wash and go. Like I said, it gave me a ton of volume, which I was really loving. My hair, as you can see, has a ton of shine. It's defined, it's moisturized, it's flowy, like the crunch, it went away once I scrunched it. So I was definitely loving this wash and go. So I'm gonna do a little spin around like I always do, just so you can see the entire head. But yeah, you guys definitely should get your hands on these products. Not only these flaxseed gel products, but also try out some of their avocado products, because they're really good, super moisturizing, and great for natural hair, all hair types. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check the description box, because I will have links, prices, ingredients, things like that down below. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.